Quantitative investment based on data and information is not only a collector of real-time information and a descriptor of the current market situation, but also a person who can analyze market information globally. In this respect, artificial intelligence comes at the right time. Artificial intelligence is not a drone-in investment, but a fighter, which is an investment tool for currency players. Industry experts have seen the outstanding performance of the multi-factor model introduced by industry institutions in risk control, and also see the distance between it and the digital currency market ecology that cannot be ignored. Standing at the bifurcation point of the development of the quantitative industry, Apocalypse believes that the evolution direction of the future investment market is artificial intelligence, quantitative investment. There is logic behind the choice. As the world's leading artificial intelligence quantitative investment platform, Apocalypse has accumulated rich experience and formed its own perfect quantitative investment framework. Quantitative investment is a methodology based on data and information. There are three core points of the investment framework: real-time data, comprehensive information, and overall information processing capabilities. This is actually three questions: whether the data used by the model reflects real-time information, whether the information extracted from the data reflects the full state of the market, whether the model has the ability to comprehensively analyze the market. Apocalypse said that in these three aspects, especially in solving global problems, the introduction of artificial intelligence quantitative investment has significant advantages.